this is how we get rid of fish waste in Homer, Alaska. We grind it up and it gets pumped through a pipe out into the ocean that goes underneath the ground and out in front of Land's End. So I'll show you what we put in here. Oop, one sec. So this is a tote dumper. The tote of fish gets put in here with a forklift, and then it dumps it over with this hydraulic pump and ram into this table. It slides down here into this audio grinder. And this is the audio grinder motor. It's put all this stuff together. Ice plant guys slid most of it into position for me. Had to rebuild that motor mount. Everything was just rusted away. So I made that, just copied factory stuff, and it's on a hinge plate to tension this belt. We had to order new belts, and this is a Falk gear reduction. So this takes the rotations put in by the motor, gives it much more power as it comes out of this output shaft. It moves slower, it spins this auger. It sits in here, it pushes the waste through an orifice plate, which isn't on there yet. And then it goes down into the strain, and that pipe goes all the way out off that way over into Ketchimak Bay in front of Land's End, where everybody fishes for pollock. So they just redid this whole building. Before it was all metal and it was just rusting away. And now finally, thank God, it's brick. And most of the electric stuff is inside this electric room. And there's just the necessary disconnects for out here for emergency stops and stuff like that. And then this is the saltwater well, because instead of using all fresh water down here, which we don't want to use because it's expensive, we have a saltwater well that makes pressure and saltwater hose cam lock connections there. Then we still have fresh water, but that's only for rinsing the salt water off stuff and we're done. And this is the fresh water with RPZ, regulated pressure zone valves, water meter, because we bill ourselves for some reason. And then that's fresh water hose. And it's on a timer so people don't keep it running all the time. And LED lights, garage doors with windows, some windows over there. And that's how we get rid of all these sport fishing waste from the fish cleaning tables in Homer, Alaska.